In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a coming soon page in your Shopify store. Whether you're launching a brand new business or you're preparing for a significant update, setting up a coming soon page is an excellent way to build anticipation and drive interest before your big reveal. Let's dive right in and take it step by step. Start by logging into your Shopify account, and once you're there, head straight over to your store's dashboard. This is your main hub and where you'll be able to access all the features needed to create your coming soon page. Now, look for the section labeled Online Store on the left-hand side of your screen. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll manage everything related to your store's appearance online. Once you're in the Online Store section, locate the Preferences option. Clicking on this will take you to a place where you can tweak various settings that affect your store's visibility and presentation. This is an important part of setting up your coming soon page, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with what options are available. Now, within the Preferences section, you'll see a tab labeled Password. Click on it. By doing this, you're enabling a password page for your store. This step is crucial because it keeps your store locked from public view, essentially enabling that Coming Soon feature. With this step, you're not only boosting curiosity, but also keeping your site under wraps until it's ready to launch. After clicking on Password, you'll notice a field titled Message to Your Visitors. Here's where you can customize the announcement that will greet your visitors when they land on your Coming Soon page. Be creative, yet concise. Think about what exactly you want your visitors to know. Are you launching a new product, offering a sneak peek, or simply generating excitement? Your message should reflect the anticipation you want to build. Finally, don't forget to hit Save to ensure all your changes take effect. This final step is crucial. It ensures that everything you've prepared is live and that visitors get the experience you've planned when they visit your store. Congratulations! You've successfully set up a Coming Soon page. Remember, it's not just about having a page in place. It's about what you communicate to your audience. Ensure the message is compelling and invites curiosity. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to set up a Coming Soon page on your Shopify store. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks to optimize your Shopify experience. Happy selling!